Hi guys, today we will see how to create the basic application of the iPhone application using storyboards. So as you know, storyboard is a new feature in Xcode. So let's see how to create a new application. Open Xcode, choose single view application template, write any name, storyboard demo. For time being, use device for iPhone. Next, choose the path where you want to store. I'm putting for desktop. It will be easily to access. Now as you can see, there is a file called main.storyboard. It is a by default file. You can create one more to see how it is working. Put some button in this. Now if you, as we were doing in XIB, we have to create actions on a button. We are creating one method called IB action, some button name, method name, and we have to write the code. So here we don't have to do so much of stuff. Directly press Control and drag it here and choose whatever it is. If it is a navigation controller, you can push, you can use, and if it is a normal, you can model, and if you is a customized, you can do custom. So model for timing I'm doing. So you can choose one more button here for this. Using the back, it will be back button. Simple, it will be a model. So we can say next, and it will be back. So in XIB, what we are doing, we are writing self dot dismiss model view controller present model controller, so that it will come back. Now no need of this, we directly run this. See, same thing we have to do. Nothing is there. See, classes. But for this XIB, we can create one class in this new file, Objective-C class named as a demo second view controller. No need of doing iPad and XIB because it is iPhone, and without XIB we are doing this. Simple. So you can drag it here. No issues. Storyboards. Once build this, see the storyboard. Choose the class name of this view controller as a demo second view controller. It should be. See. Now this is a demo. Now run this. You can see what it is. So I hope you guys like this video because it's a very easy to use storyboards as compared to XIB, because for multiple classes we are creating XIB, so it will be little bit lengthy process for that. Now in a one storyboard you can see so many of XIB inside this. Click on this, you will see next, back, see next, you can see. So it will be it is a basic application using storyboard. Hope you like this video guys. So thank you.